Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 83, being recorded mostly live January 26th, 2026. There, I got it all right this time. First time. My name is Chris. I'll be your host today, and as usual, or not as usual, as the last couple episodes, we're going to be talking about Go and working on the PostCast application that myself and Omar have been writing. So if you watched last week's episode, we basically spent a lot of time reading the LinkedIn AI documentation and trying to figure out how to get an authentication token. And we finally got a token, and we were able to use this script to post something in as me. So that was good. So that all worked. And then today, previously, like kind of unrecorded, Omar has been working on this sandbox, this HTTP, like basically doing the LinkedIn request in Go. So he's been experimenting with this. Hasn't quite got it working yet. So we're going to try today to see if we can get this example Go application working, where we post under Omar's organization ID, and hopefully this code works and it all shows up. We've done a little bit of times mucking around to make sure we got the correct token and everything before we recorded. So we have the token all set up. Hopefully it's all correct. And hopefully, if everything goes according to plan on this application tester organization page that Omar set up under his name, we will see a post under here, not this build your business. Can I get rid of this? No. This content's not relevant to me. So hopefully that'll show up here. Like this is just a test page, which I'm assuming Omar will get rid of after. But yeah, hopefully it'll show up under. I don't know. I guess we want it to show up in the organization name or your name, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. We'll try this out. Yeah, so that's what we're going to try to do today. Omar, do you want to do a quick introduction and then we'll just jump right into this?
Sure, yeah. My name is Omar, and I've been working in web development for the past several years. And It's been good working with Chris here on a desktop application. It's kind of getting me out of, the web application zone, which I'm happy to be doing and getting outside of that box. So yeah, my background is music and economics, but I've found that I get to finally scratch my kind of like math logic itch in software. So that's what's been keeping me in it for this long, even with everything that's been going on in the industry over the past little while. But yeah, let's dig into this.
Oh, I just realized, am I not sharing my screen with you, Omar? I should probably share my screen, eh?
Yes, I can't see your screen right at the moment.
All right, let's set that up properly. All right, there we go. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
All right. It's mostly live, people. So yeah, in case people, that's what the mostly live is. We don't really edit these videos or try not to edit them too much. One, because I'm lazy and I don't know really how to edit. And the other one is just to see, there's lots of already 5-10 minute edited videos. This one you get to see kind of developers working through problems, us making mistakes, which I think the internet is really good at hiding that fact that people make mistakes and get things wrong. So yeah, if you watched the last video, it was us like excuse me, like an hour and a half trying to figure out the LinkedIn API. So now we could probably do it pretty quick. So yeah, let's try and get this Sandbox Go up and running. So we created an env file. So the other thing to know is both Omar and myself are not very familiar with the Go programming language. So we're kind of figuring that out ourselves, but we are. Where did you get this code from? Did you write this all, or did you steal this from somewhere?
No, I took this from like I was browsing around and this was just looking into how people were using the net
Hmm.
HTTP library. So I actually haven't tried out this code. Like that's yeah, it's sort of like run at your own risk at this point. I was just sort of like taking it to sort of like as a template to kind of just see, just the general code for writing like a post request in a Go
Yeah.
app, what that would kind of look like, what the shape of the um, yeah, the shape of the request kind of looks like in here since I hadn't uh, done it before. So, and I was following along with the Go documentation to just do like some basic, like, setting up an HTTP server using the net slash HTTP library in Go. So I did get that working. That was pretty simple and straightforward, just getting um, a server running on like in port 80, um, and making a request and getting a message back. So just getting like a basic kind of client server communication happening.
Yeah.
That's fine. It was easy to do. Uh, but that's as far as I've gotten in terms of something that actually works, and I'm like that I feel like I have confidence in terms of like a post request. That's kind of where we're at right now. Um, and then using obviously this like get env package, which I believe is also part of the standard library, but I may be wrong. Like there's a few packages that are being used here. Um,
Mhm.
FMT is the one that I'm familiar with. That's just kind of like the one that's being used usually to like print out things. Um, all the sort of Go tutorials that I went through, that was the main package that was being used.
Oh yeah, this is yeah. Okay.
Um, so that one I've become more familiar with. Again, the net slash HTTP, that seems to be the one that you want for any kind of um, web server
Yeah.
that you're trying to build. Um, and then the other packages, I'm not so sure, to be honest. Like I did see that IO one being used in another web server in Go, um, but that's about it.
Yeah, it looks like too this has been deprecated. This I guess we could just use it. We'll just see. But this IO util has been deprecated.
Yeah, this is kind of why I specifically labeled this as a sandbox, just to
Yeah.
be careful not to like, take it too seriously at this point.
Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get this to run or build and compile there. So, and then oh, maybe to watch your sound, like we're getting some feedback
Oh,
on
sorry about that.
your microphone's rubbing up against your beard or your
Oh, yeah.
clothes or
I think
something
it's
there.
rubbing up against my shirt. Yeah.
I have to remember how to. I think I could just run. How do I run things again? Go.
Go run, I believe.
Oh yeah, we want 1.24.6. Was it run?
Yeah. Run is the command to.
Commands are. Oh, start a bug report. Run, compile, and run a Go program. Okay, yeah. Uh, 1 point. This is when we want run HTTP sandbox. That put. I think that's with the whole file name, right?
Yes.
All right, let's just run it and see what happens. Oh, didn't find our environment variables. Okay, I thought if we had a .env file, it would just find them, but let's see how this works. Get env. Go get env. Make that bigger. I guess we could run it like. I don't want to show your. Mm,
It's okay. If put in the sort of hard code it, if that's what you mean, and then um, you could always, I'll just get rid of that application anyway. So I don't think it's a big deal.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's just try. I was hoping this env, so a lot of these get envs will read from .env files, but it doesn't look like that's the case for Go at least. So there's a couple things we could do. We could do like we could specify the environment variables here, or we could just, I think we just hard code them. Like
Why
that's
not just hard code it?
probably the
And
easiest for now.
yeah,
So don't do this at home. Obviously, we're just testing, playing around with this. Hey, and Go, what is this colon equals? I should
that's a
probably.
shorthand for like variable assignment. Um, so there's a longhand, which is uh, I'm trying to remember the exact syntax here. Um,
Like create a variable and
yeah, yes, exactly. So it's like I think it saves those two steps. So you get to create the variable and do the assignment in one go. No pun intended.
I'm sure that
Um,
happens a lot with Go. People keep saying the Go thing.
yeah,
Where's my chat? There we are. All right. Oh yeah, you wanted to try codex last time. Okay, let's keep trying it. What does the dot equal and Go do? Yeah, okay, yeah, you're right. Declares any variable and assigns values with the inferred type. So it's gonna assume that this is a string.
yeah,
And then I'm assuming both these have to be strings. Oh, okay. So instead of having to declare it like up here, they declare all these types or whatever.
right.
All right, we no longer need this OS, but that's okay.
I don't think it'll run though if you have like unused packages that you're bringing in. I might be wrong.
Oh, really? Let's see.
Yeah, I think it might give you an error if there's a
Oh, look at that. Good call.
yeah.
Can I just comment this out in the middle of the list here? It's kind of nice
That
though. Lists
should work.
don't need commas because it's always such a pain. You put a comma in this one and then it doesn't work when you comment that out. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. It is a like it looks like a nice clean language from the onset.
Ooh, we got an error message.
Okay.
Failed.
Access denied.
Field value validation failed in request body. Data processing exceptional processing fields author.
Okay, so I wonder if that's the URN issue.
Yeah, we need an author. Oh yeah, because you gave me the two. Because I just use this ID, but we were
Right.
talking about how you had another one. This one here.
Well, that's the client. Yeah.
Because this is
Yeah.
using your organization too, not a person. So that was different than what we did last week, where we used like me doing the post. So
Yeah. So that should, I think you also have to change that to application, maybe. Although, okay, maybe that would work. I don't know. I think this is talking about
author.
something else, though. It's talking about the author field.
Oh yeah, maybe
Uh,
there is no author. Maybe this code you got is old. Okay, so author. Let's see. What was that UG post?
UGC post is the endpoint.
We can see what the documentation looks like for that. Yeah, so you need an author field, which is missing. Person or organization. So we
Person or
have.
organization
Oh
URN.
no, we do
Yeah.
have the author. It's right here.
Yeah, and it's doing, yeah, okay, so it's combining those. I
Yeah,
see.
it looks like it's combining it there.
Yeah, yeah.
Field value validation failed in request body. Data processing exceptional processing fields author.
Access denied. So there must be something incorrect about this. I wonder if you changed it just for S's and G's, if you want to change that organization to application instead and just see if that does anything?
Um,
So where it says organization there.
it says organization right now.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like back in our code.
Yeah, did you give me the URN for your organization or your person? Like you
That's no,
or
that's for the like that's for the application. Yeah, yeah. So that's for the application that I created on the LinkedIn page.
oh yeah, we need the actual URN for you or your organization, not for
Okay,
the
in
client
that case,
application.
then it's from what I understand this one. So I just put in the chat.
Okay, let me.
I'm actually not sure about this part. Like I don't know where to get this organization ID. Like I've been trying to look it up. Um,
I think this is what we had last time and didn't like it. Yeah.
yeah. Um, I guess one last one to try here. Maybe this, but I'm kind of guessing here. Like I'm not sure where to get this ID from.
Same thing.
Yeah. I think last time you requested it.
Yeah. So get URN for organization. LI organization. Yeah. Person. Oh, okay. The ID's. Yeah, I don't know where you're getting that number from.
So that's from like the URL for the actual application.
The U. Yeah, but we don't want like if you go here or auth, we don't want this.
Okay.
This is not. I don't think this is what we want. We want the URN for like. In my case, it would be like Saturday Morning Productions.
Right.
In your case, we want the URN for this application tester
Yeah.
app, which I don't know how to find.
I think last time you got yours for Saturday Morning Productions, you got it from there's a request, right? Like there's an API request that
Yeah.
that gave back the organization ID.
Well, in my case, I just use my ID. Um,
Oh, your own per like oh right, because we didn't do it as an organization.
yeah, we did it as me. I don't remember how we looked up my. Uh, yeah, should watch those old videos.
See, they are useful.
uh, but this is always the same. How do we find the URL? Like, I know what a URN is. I just want to determine.
Is it that like okay, so there's this request, but it doesn't seem like you pass in anything here. Like
Yeah, I want to figure out. Yeah, how to get to LinkedIn URN. Yeah, I think I did something like this to get the member details. This is how I got my URN.
oh, okay.
Right. It's got the sub. And of course, I have my name and all that stuff.
Now, would that do it for the organization as well?
Uh, Probably. Like, it's kind of annoying. It just doesn't show up on the page. Yeah, see, lots of people are
Yeah.
having trouble with this. Yeah, nobody even answers anymore.
You can find them embedded in URLs. Yeah, so this is what somebody else was talking about.
Company 1234. Oh, so if I go to your company, I don't see it here though. I just see it as application tester. Maybe if you go, once if I
On
go look,
my, yeah.
yeah, once
So
if I go look at
posts.
Saturday morning production, do I get a weird? Oh, there it is. There's mine. It's up
Oh, where'd you
there.
see that? Yeah, yeah.
So
That's,
if
I
you
mean,
so if you go to yours,
um,
can you see that number up there? Is it one you already sent me?
it's one of the ones I sent you, I'm pretty sure. So, um, admin dashboard.
Because I don't know. Maybe you don't have permission to send as an organization. Instead, you like, what is if I go to me? Do I get a? Where's Chris coming here?
You already tried this number that ends in 4416. Yeah, that's the one that I sent you.
The 44122 starts with 22. Maybe this author field. Host.
Is it so do I have to verify? Is that part of it? Like,
I'm not verified.
no, I mean like here it says in my settings for this application, um
No,
uh
does verify? I
there,
didn't. Oh, maybe
does
I
that
didn't have
have
to
to
do that when
be
I posted as me, but like, what does this do?
okay? So it says when a page verifies the association to an app, it also takes responsibility for it. This also enables page admins to view this association. Please send the verification URL to page admin for application tester. They will be able to
Yeah.
complete the process by approving the association. But that shouldn't stop things here, should it?
I don't think so. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this into the chat too and see what it says. How do I copy this? There we go. All right, Codex. Let's see what you can do. If you don't give me a good answer, I'm going back to Claude.
It's not giving me much here.
I'm updating the code. Okay. It's taking a while. Oh, that's a lot all of a sudden. Okay. Oh, likely cause. The token can't act on the organization, so LinkedIn rejects the author value. For org posts, you need the W organization. Social. Oh, we probably don't have that. Org admin rights. Otherwise, post as a member.
Oh, that's another scope.
Probably. Let me see. Auth. How do we Oh yeah, share on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe this is what we need. What is this? It requires a. Yeah, we probably need this pages.
Yeah, you think so?
API product packages, many APIs. Yeah, so this company page, yeah. We need more access, which we can't get for some reason.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
The API product requires that it be the only product on the application for legal and security reasons. Oh, so do we have to? Can we? This is really confusing. Like, how do I undo this? I can't.
Undo. Oh, you mean the permissions?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess you
Yeah.
just have to delete it and make another application.
Sure, let's try. I understand. Create an app. I love that they force you to upload a logo. That's really weird. But it's, I don't think this is pages. I still can't request it. Oh, okay. Okay, we have to verify the app.
Oh, I was just yeah, that was kind of what I was thinking.
The URL will be valid. Please send the verification to page admin for Saturday. They will be able to complete the process. Oh, well, I am the admin. Let's see what happens. It cannot be undone. Okay. Yes. Thanks. Oh, that was it. Okay, I thought it was gonna be some really gross process or something. I guess I go back here. My apps. Okay. This one, sure. Auth. No. Products? Yeah, products. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what you. I guess we could try this on my end to
Yeah, I mean,
see.
if you've got your access token there and your, I guess you already have your URN.
Oh, I'm gonna have to edit this a bunch. Send verification code. All right, let me. Oh no, I need to open up my. Give me a second. That's the funniest verification process I've ever seen. Is it you? Sure, yeah. All right, you're done. That's really funny.
Well done, people.
Sounds like a legal thing or something. Maybe they had to do.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, because it's sort of
Oh,
like your.
it's part. Now it's like.
Oh,
Oh, you request access to standard tier. Oh, do we want to do this? To access this product, you will need to fill out an access request form with details about your organization. Register name, domains. Uh,
well, even if that works, is that going to be helpful for other people using this?
yeah. Because right now we could set up. You don't have to verify anything. You can set up the posting as yourself.
Yeah,
The only downside, like for weekly dev chat, ideally we would be. I want to change weekly dev chat into a page eventually. Excuse
yeah,
me. Like that would be great. But maybe for now we just get this working with
as a
the
person.
as a person. Okay, I'll just kill this app, I guess again. So if you, because you have your app already set up,
Yeah.
why don't we try this code, but we'll change it from organization to person. If you want to give me your person, I'll just create another one. There's so many deleted apps we got now. Because here it would not be organization. It would be, what is it? People.
It's just person, right?
It is, yeah, person. So I'll need your ID for your person there.
So that's like in my own personal account somewhere.
I think so. Let's see. So linked in find person URN value. Oh, you can find the person's URN by inspecting the source code of their LinkedIn profile.
Oh,
Oh, so if I go to where, okay, here we are. Let's see, Omar. There you are. And if I go look, view page source, what am I supposed to look for?
member ID.
There we are. Got too many things. Search for the term member. Member. How many members are there? Member. Member.
Is it member dash ID?
Oh, there's a number there. Yeah, that seems like hard to do. You should find a
Yeah.
section like URN. Okay, well, let's just search for this whole thing. That'll be easier to
Oh, I
find.
think data member ID. That could that be it?
Oh, I got this number for you. There's one there.
10. Did you get something like 1005?
Oops.
I don't
I got a
see it.
623 for you.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, you said that says URN too, so I thought that looks like the right one. Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, as good as anything else, really.
Yeah. Okay, let's try
Um,
that. Um, so we changed org ID. It's technically not an org ID anymore, but whatever. Oh, it changed all this things for us. Let's undo that.
actually, hold on. I think it's the one that I found I think it's 1005047677, I believe. Because this one
Okay.
says URN LI member, right? Um, so I think I'm gonna just post this here. It's quite a process.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's hard to find your own ID. That's kind of a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
What was I?
Um, so I
Find. I still need your big old access token So I can go back here.
URN member. This is what I found. I just put it in the chat. Is this number?
And we change this to person.
Person or member, I guess. Yeah.
Share commentary. Yeah. Okay. So you want to try this number?
Yeah, might as well.
Oh, right, because I undid the changes there. Oops.
Does not match company. URNLI. Does not match company.
You post JSON. Find that as org ID, I thought. Like, where did you, like, what page? Let me see if I see that number on, oops.
I did the search through the source code, like the URN LI, and it says that it even has the same number on
Oh, yeah.
the application page.
Oh, I think this one is your application number. That's why it's not working.
Okay.
That would be because it only shows up once, where that other one shows up a whole bunch. The URI. Is it member?
LI. Like you.
Oh, URN. Sorry. URI.
Yeah.
LI member. That's this one. That one shows up a bunch.
Oh, okay. Well, try it out.
Nope. Same thing. A company member. Yeah, so the first one is definitely your. I changed this to person, right? It's not trying to. You created this token for the member, right?
This token's for the application.
I don't think you can create tokens for an application, though.
Okay.
Profile API. We could try this me.
Yeah.
Send this command.
Okay. Just as it is?
Well, you'll have to put your token in there, I think. But you could try it just as it is. I don't know. Let's see. What if I just throw this up here? Me. Oh yeah, I need an access token.
An access token. So it's a post request, right? Where you got to pass in the token in the body.
It's a get. It's a get request.
It's a get request.
Yeah. Maybe I should create a script for me too. Linked in auth me.sh. Yeah, so let's see. You probably want to do something like this. Da, da, da. b2/me, and then your access token should be I guess in this case,
whatever the access token from before was, right?
Yeah, I can use yours here.
Oh, okay.
I'm hacking you. I'm pretending to be
Yeah,
you.
yeah, dude. I mean, why not?
No.
Better you than a complete stranger, right?
Yeah. Oh no, I do have to just hmod plus x scripts / auth me scripts. Oh, what's this? Oh, it gave me a whole HTML page back. That's hilarious.
Oh, that should be right. What is it? There should be like an error right at the bottom of that, I think, is where it displays a
errors.
Yeah. I think even below that.
Content length was not specified. Please double check the URL.
Content length required.
API linkedin.com, b2/me. API LinkedIn authorization. Oh, that's interesting. I don't remember how we did this last time. So I go here. What does it say I need? I need my token, right? Oh, I need a code too.
Oh.
Not a access token. I need a code, it looks like.
Oh, that might be why.
Calling linked in API me. Right, you can get other people's ID, that's fine. Me requires code. To retrieve basic profile information. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Oh, is it because I don't have my app anymore? Is that why? I deleted all the apps? But I'm
Don't
trying to
think so,
log
because you're
in
not.
as you.
Yeah. That wouldn't. No, it's matching the it's matching the access token with your so it's the access token that I got, right? From my account.
Find my linked URL. Yeah, like this is user info. Oh, we could try this one. Bearer access token. Which is, let's just move this over here. How do I tell it to return JSON? I got another error though. Contact length not specified.
Is that a header? Like a content length header?
I don't know. Oh, because I was using post. Oh, okay. Undo. Yeah.
Oh,
That's probably why the other one didn't work either.
right.
Okay, now we're getting access denied. Okay, that's better.
Okay.
Let's try me. Not enough permissions to access. Me.get.no version.
Okay.
We're getting closer.
Yeah. Does it need more scopes, the access token, do you think?
I'm not sure what you set up for yours.
Because I only have it's the scope that I asked for was the W member social.
Oh, did I have an extra space in the bearer? Is that what it doesn't like? Really? Not enough permissions. Yeah, do you have the R light profile? And do you have the OpenID and stuff enabled on your...
Not in the like in the access token,
Yeah, but if you go to your app, which I think I deleted mine, like you remember all those settings?
yeah, the app has that stuff, right? But like I said, on my end, I can't seem to create an access token from um just from the GUI here.
Oh yeah, you kept running into
Like
that. Okay, well
because
let's...
yeah, that's true. Okay, so it might be the scopes. It might be the scopes because I only have W, like I did it manually and I kind of only put in W member social as a scope. I didn't put in OpenID and profile.
Yeah, well, you can
Uh,
add those. You should be able to add them.
yeah. So I can go through those steps again.
So you want the share on LinkedIn, this one, and then you want the...
Well, we've got four right now. I think it's like OpenID, profile, W member social, and email are the scopes, right?
Yeah, you should have four. So you should have the share on LinkedIn and sign in with LinkedIn. And if you go look
Yeah.
at your auth, you should go away. You should see these scopes here.
Yeah, which they are there, for sure.
Okay, well, I'll just create a token and we'll see if I can.
It's
Uh,
yeah, and I keep getting that can't verify the authenticity request. I wonder if I verified, would that make any difference?
no, you're getting some.
No,
You got some weird setup with your... Maybe because it's a Mac on... Using Firefox on a Mac or something.
could be.
Oh, I have to log in here. Okay. Because you get this redirect page, it'll take you here. So if you have like extra security turned on, your redirects won't work.
Right.
So I don't know how locked down you have your...
Oh, you think it's like in my personal settings on LinkedIn, like
No, your browser settings or something like that.
oh, my browser settings. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not
So,
sure.
oops. So if we go back to here and I put in the auth token of this. And now, let's see. Access denied. Oh, same thing.
Is that token still valid? Is it not expired?
I just created that token.
Oh, okay.
It should be still good. So QG.
And it's got all the permissions.
Art light profile. OpenID profile. It's got a profile.
Yeah.
It's got OpenID.
Is there another permission for getting the info, like the user info?
Oh, let's try.
I thought profile would do it. Like, I think you have the profile permission on there.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So we have enough
Oh.
we have enough permissions if we run this first one here. And there's my
Oh, as you change the endpoint, user info.
yeah. So if you use user info, I can do it with that access
Okay,
token. Oh,
cool.
interesting. Okay.
I wonder if mine would work now, but I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But
so now if we go here,
yeah,
it's not really the org ID, but that's fine. No, I've been dumping it all in here. Oh. Into here. And we have this set to person, so that's good. All right, we should see a post get created by me. Boom. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, all right.
I think. Let's see. Not you. Let's go back to me here. How do I see my posts?
I think we just saw it down there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
Nice.
Hey. Okay. So we can, let's just delete that before. Cool. Okay, so this code works. So this is basically what we have to do, the gist. And of course, the tricky part will be like adding images. We'll have to change this.
Yeah.
So that I can correctly add images.
So what does this mean? Does this mean we have to, every time we do this, we have to get a new access token?
I think I'm trying to think how this would work for like an end user. I think these tokens are valid for a while, right? Like how okay, let's get rid of some of these things. So this token expires in 2 months. So how would a client, like someone using our app,
Yeah.
is there another way to, so the other thing we could do is we could try to temporarily get a token for a shorter span. Like 2 months is a long time.
Yeah. I think you can change that.
Okay, so maybe what we can try to do, so we have, let's do this because this is all working. Let's sandbox works for hard coded token. Okay.
Are you passing in, you didn't remember that I think you hard coded things here, right? So I don't know if you want to
Oh yeah, I
change
guess
that.
I should. What's in my? Oh yeah, I should remove those. Okay, before I push it. In case I accidentally push it. All right. Should probably look up how to use that .env file. That's probably the way to go.
Yeah.
What other changes did I make in here? Person, that's fine. Main doc I just commented
You've got
out.
an access token up there too, I think.
Oh yeah, right here. Let's get rid of that. Editor's read only. Because the file system is read only. I don't understand what that means. Let's rename this too. Rename linked in auth user info. Test post. Da, 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 da. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, we probably shouldn't have these in here. We should probably make people into them as environment variables.
Yeah.
It's okay. Something will change later. Okay. It's all good. So what we were going to, let's set up a script that, okay, so LinkedIn developer calls. Docs. Authentication. So configured the app, great. So we got the client secret. To request an authorization code.
So here also you that request that you made was as a person, not as an organization.
Yeah, because I think as an organization, it sounds like we have to verify our page.
Okay.
Which is kind of a pain in the butt. Okay, let's. Oh, their documentation is so crappy. Let's, or at least I have trouble reading it. I was never great at reading documentation.
It's not, no, it's not great. Out of, compared to other ones.
Okay. How do I get if I don't have the bear token? How would I get one for LinkedIn? Assume I have the, what are they called? The application secret and what are they
Client
called?
ID.
Is that what it is? Is it the client? Are they called clients ID and client secret?
I think it's just called client ID and secrets.
For the LinkedIn application.
Basically the like auth credentials for the application. So application credentials, client ID, and primary client secret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe say in this case, the user just needs to authenticate. They are running this application as a desktop app. Or that'll change anything. Redirect these to links then. How do I get rid of you? Okay. Oh, really? For a desktop app, you'll need to start a temporary local HTTP server. Oh, that might not work.
Might be okay, right? Because we can just
Local host? Uh,
oh
they
oh
won't
never
need.
mind.
Yeah.
No, because we'd have to have a oh no, that's not gonna work at all. Have to like deploy a server. Basically have like a separate web app.
Your client ID. Well, okay. So the user would have to create their own app in linked in. They would not use my client ID or secret. Yeah, so we have to prompt for this, boom. Start these credentials. Okay, that's great. See, does localhost work? Get the LinkedIn token. Use the user's client ID. Authorize. So we're doing the authorization. Exchange code for token. Create an app. Under products tab, share on LinkedIn. Yeah, okay. Huh. I don't know. Do we try this?
So what's this doing exactly? This is to go kind of have a flow for the end user to authenticate, like
Yeah, so they
to
don't
get
have
a
to. You know how we created that token?
yeah.
Like this would skip that step. All they would need is their client ID and their secret.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Yeah, that would be a lot easier to get. And this will create a temporary token.
Yeah, that'd be ideal.
Exchange, but it's local. I don't understand how this local host thing was going to work.
I think is it because okay, is it using what's it is it doing like using Go's yeah, okay. So it's setting up yeah, it's basically setting up a server, right? Like that's what the HTTP um library in Go does, right? Like with this handle func.
Yeah.
Um so you're Yeah, it basically it starts a server up.
Oh, and then it opens their browser.
That I guess so. Yeah. This I tried. Like this I tried and go with
Oh, okay.
one of the HTTP functions to actually set up a um yeah, like to have a server that's running on a port. I didn't have it on 8080. I think I just did it on 80. Uh that's the one that was in the documentation. So I was and that's yeah, so that's what it does, right? Like it'll whip up a server that's running on the port that you give it that you pass in to the function, and you can use it to so you can set it up as a file server. You know, it could serve static files or um,
Oh, interesting.
yeah,
Let's call this linked in sandbox.go file with the logic above. It should have a main in it and run by something like this, right? Itself, run by itself as similar to a script. Okay, let's see if you can handle that. Curious how this is because it's going to open the browser on my. Oh no, I wanted this to be in agent mode. Dang it. Stop. Try again now that you are in agent mode. Boof. Thinking, thinking. Yeah, similar to like your sandbox app here, but we'll instead of entering this token, we'll just enter the user's client, that application client ID and stuff. So, oh, is it stuck? Oh no, okay. LinkedIn OS sandbox. Okay, great. Oh, you can even enter your client ID in secret. Okay. Get the access token.
yeah, okay.
After 5 minutes. Oh, that's a long time. Right. And
Now it's got like a
okay, because when you
switch
first
state.
log in, you get that goofy code thing. And then with this code, you get the token.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Open browser. Yeah. Huh. So it has to open a browser. Okay. Does it have to open a browser? I'm assuming the answer is yes. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try this and see.
yeah.
Okay. So haven't really looked at this code. Hopefully it's not going to blow up my machine. It's run, right? Run
Yeah.
LinkedIn sandbox.go. Okay. Let me move this up here so we can see what's going on. Let's get rid of you for now. Client ID. I think I put all that stuff in here for now. Oops. Oh no, I need my client ID. I need all this stuff from here. Okay. So this is my client ID. This is my client secret. Oh, didn't even actually. Okay, that's fine. Open in browser, I guess. Okay, so it opens up the browser. Yeah, big localhost is not found. So,
Okay.
so it looked like it took me to localhost. It looks like it redirected back to localhost,
No,
but
because there's no, it's not handling an endpoint for
oh, there's no server running.
I um
Because I'm already logged in, so I think it just redirected me like right away. But I think it
it might have
forgot this.
started a server, but then when you open it and you try to like hit the server at the um like slash endpoint, there's not, you're not handling that anywhere in the code, right? Like there's no, you're not actually handling any of the routes basically. Like your router, if you're trying to go to that localhost 8080 slash endpoint, um like the main entry to the there's no AP, like we don't have an API here, right? Like to handle these routes.
Yeah, but this thing should have created. It should have created a new server and fired it up. Like it looks like it's open to port.
So it is, I think the server is there, right? Like it's running, but what's it actually serving, or what's it supposed to do basically after we've got the server running?
So it should have a callback here. Like it
There's,
should handle the callback and it should be like
so does that work if you go to that endpoint slash callback? Like if you go in your browser right now, what does it say? If you go to like slash callback, what message does it give you out of curiosity?
oh yeah, okay. It went to no authorization. Okay, so it didn't take me to slash callback. It just took me to localhost for some reason.
Because I think that's the VS Code extension just picked up on the fact that you just started a server.
Oh, interesting. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then no authorization code given, no authorization code received. That's the issue, huh?
Starting author get LinkedIn token. So let's go down here. Get LinkedIn token. Make. Okay. These are creating variables or something. It's a new server. Handles. It starts the server. Start the server in the background. Build this URL. Auth URL. Opening a browser with the auth URL. Waiting for authorization. Timeout 5 minutes. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's see. Client ID. This. No. I need this.
Now maybe don't open in the browser. Like,
Oh, I need to run this link. Okay. So if I go here, bummer, something went wrong.
yeah, got that one before. Does not match the registered value. So it's giving you, you put in this redirect URL. That's what you were talking about.
Oh, I have to set up the, I have to enable the, okay. I have to enable the redirect URL. So if I go here,
So that's the one there, right?
yeah. Uh, 80, 80.
slash callback or just 8080?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. I wonder if this is gonna work.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It even tells me here. Sign with link and product enabled. Okay. As added as a. Okay.
So
So
now yeah.
that could be, yeah, because I'm running this in Windows subsystem for Linux. Oh.
Okay.
What does it say the redirect URL is? Oh, it's just HTTP. Whoops, not HTTPS.
Yeah.
Should probably be an S there. Let's fix that code. Where's my redirect URL?
Oh, you have your local host as HTTPS?
That's what I'm going to set it up as HTTPS.
Okay.
It's pretty much everything I think uses HTTPS nowadays. So
okay.
Yeah. Just do a quick check. HTTP. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yes. 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 Okay. Well, I'm kind of excited now that this will work.
That'd be interesting.
Oh, maybe this is why people haven't set up the. Oops. Oh, okay. Now it's asking me to log in.
So that's the regular manual flow, and then it gives you yeah.
Oh, unable to connect.
No. Can't establish connection to the server at localhost 8080.
That was better. HTTPS callback code equals blah 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 blah. Oh, okay. I'm not listening on the.
Got the server closed it. Maybe
I think it's only listening on port 80. We have to open up this. We have to run this server. As to listen on port. Where is it telling us what? How do I tell this HTTPS? I think that's the problem. Let's just put in ask mode. I don't want you to make much changes. How do I get the server to listen for HTTPS callbacks? Oh, a stupid self-signed certificate. Oh, do I try it without the HTTPS maybe? Or do
yeah,
you
I mean maybe
actually
just try it as HTTP for now.
Yeah, okay.
You're not worried too much right now about sending what are we really sending in terms of stuff that could be eavesdropped on, like Is it that sensitive right at the moment?
Yeah, no, not really. This one needs to be set to that. So, what if this will support? I was just thinking this thing wouldn't support it, but
Oh yeah, it might be invalid. Yeah. Well, there you go.
let's find out. Not remember why I hard code some of this stuff, so I have to type it in all the time. Okay. It won't open because I think I'm in Windows subsystem for Linux. I probably don't have a browser installed. So, okay, let's go here. PostCast, allow. Hey,
All
authorization
right.
successful.
Okay. So what happens now? Did it grab it?
Oh yeah, look, it grabbed my thing. Use this as an author in
Oh
post
wow, it grabbed it.
to use these
Set these
tokens.
environment variables.
Here's a brand new token it gave me. And the LinkedIn person ID. Hey, okay.
Okay.
So if people wanted to go to all this trouble, so what they would have to do to use PostCast to post to LinkedIn is they would have to create an app.
Yeah.
Like I guess maybe I'll just put it in plan for now. So step one, make LinkedIn page.
Yeah.
Make
Create an app.
LinkedIn app. Yeah, and they get the. So that's all they really. Okay, that's not too horrible. So this would be like posting as yourself.
Yeah. That's not too bad actually.
Posting as a page, you have to do the same steps. You have to get the page. This would be the thing I don't know. Get page ID or the organization ID that we have. Can you do this? This would be a question. Yeah. Okay, we have to dig more into that. Like maybe I'll have to get an app actually approved because that's what we would want for weekly dev chat. We would want a page or an organization so that you, me, or Norm could just run this and post it on behalf of the weekly dev chat. I think
Yeah.
is what we like. How I do when I go to what am I looking for? Just LinkedIn. Right. If I go to oh no, oh no. There we go. Let's go to the right LinkedIn. So when I go to like Saturday Morning Productions here, I can post here. Right, like I can create posts that look like Saturday Morning Productions is posting them.
Yeah.
So I think that's what we would want to do that for weekly dev chat.
Yeah.
Eventually. But I think people posting as themselves is still kind of useful for other people that might want to use PostCast, right? Like maybe
Yeah.
they still have to create the stupid organization page, but it can just be a dummy page, I guess, like you have.
Yeah.
That's so
Exactly.
weird that they need that. So, okay, well, we have lots of test code. That's great.
Yeah.
Like this LinkedIn sandbox works. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, I should get rid of the. Did we hard code anything here? Oh, we didn't even hard code anything in here.
No, because it pops up the inputs in the terminal.
So we'd have to do some more digging. I'm sure there's lots of things like this timeout of 5. Was it 5 minutes or something? Maybe it's only 5 seconds or something.
Seems like seconds, I guess. I would assume.
Yeah.
It goes nice though. It's not too hard to look at, you know?
Time dot second. I don't know what time dot second is.
To count the number of units in a duration, divide to convert an integer. Time dot second. Time dot duration equals 1 second. So it's
So it's 5 times the second. Is that 5 seconds? It says 5
yeah.
minutes, but
Oh. Oh yeah, that's weird. Well, I'm not sure then.
huh. That's really interesting. Okay, well I'll make sure I commit this so you can play around with it too.
Yeah, for sure.
And then we can see if this is a reasonable way to do it. Because again, once we have that token, like down here, once we have this,
Yeah.
then we can post
Yeah.
on behalf. I think we just might have to make sure when we request the token. Where do we do the request for the token? So we get the code, and now we want a token. And where do we say what permissions we want? I'd have to look again here, but
Access token, post form. That's right. This is the post request for it, right?
yeah, this is so this first call gets us a code, right? We open up that browser window,
Yeah.
and it's going to give us this goofy code. Do we ask for permissions? What type of permissions we want in this code? I don't think so. Let's see what's up here. Okay, so secret.
Yeah, the code I think you do. You should you need to determine the scopes, right?
Get LinkedIn token. So first of all, we start the server. This is this is the server stuff. Then we do this request to. So we want to authorize response type is code. Client ID is us. Redirect URL is that. Oh,
Yeah,
scope.
there's the scope.
Yeah. Okay. So scope is one of those settings. Um. Oh, here it is. We want OpenID profile member social. So
Yeah,
okay. So
there it
yeah,
is.
that member social lets us post as ourselves. I don't know what OpenID is, but I think this lets us view profile information of ourselves. So
Yeah. OpenID is the auth.
in production, use a random secure random string. What is that for? State. Oh, okay. So yeah, we're sending a random string to the API. I think if I remember correctly, what this does is this sends a random string to the API, and then when we get a response back, it better be the same random string we sent out. That way,
Oh,
there's
okay.
no man like. Otherwise, if we're sitting there listening and we send the same string over and over again, or we don't check this, when we get a response back from that API, right? Someone else can just send it if we're not
Yeah,
paying attention. So
right.
code chan. I don't know what a code chan is.
Not sure about that.
Channel, I guess. Anyway, those are all shutdowns. And then when you exchange the code for the token. Okay, so we've already asked. Okay, so we already asked for the scope up here. That's where we've done the scope, and now we just want a token. So we got the code, which I'm assuming has the scope embedded into it. And that's just this is a pretty simple, straightforward API call. Once we have that. get user info. Yeah, and then we can get the user info. That's what shows this stuff down here. Yeah, cool.
That's the interface. No.
That's
What actually
just
opens up the prompt, like in the terminal?
to open the browser.
No, like when you get prompted to put in your
Oh, that's up here. So this is main.
oh, I see.
So if we
Okay.
go all the way up to the top here, right here we go. So it spits out all this header stuff, right? That's this.
Yeah.
And
Oh, I see.
and then it prompts for the client and secret.
Okay, and then there's
And
like a reader. Yeah, I see. Okay.
and then it does
Yeah.
the get LinkedIn token. So starting OAuth flow, and then it'll prompt for, like, it tries to open, it starts at server and then opens the browser, or tries to
Right.
open the browser. If it doesn't work, then you do this. And then it waits for it to respond. Yeah, it waits for it to respond, and then once that's done, where are we here? And then it goes access token obtained successfully.
Yeah.
And then it spits out. Oh, sorry, there's more than the access token here. Because once it gets opens the browser, it waits for the callback. And then it calls. That's so we get the code, and we have to exchange the code for the token. So that's where this happens here.
But this is a switch statement, so it's kind of it's evaluating. Okay, it's just evaluating to see if there's an error.
Yeah, so I think this is almost like maybe a try catch or something like that.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I'll
Yeah.
have to, again, I'm not very familiar with Go, but this looks like the normal path, the happy path. This looks like, oh crap, exception was thrown or something.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, we open the browser here. And then, and the last one is just wait 5 minutes.
That's 5 minutes there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
Oh,
that's
this
time dot
is the
minute.
5 minutes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Time dot minute returns, I guess, 1 minute. Um, and time dot second
This is five
returns.
seconds for this to happen. Yeah, and then it just shuts down the server.
Yeah.
And then after that is done, we'll exchange the codes for the token. So it gets the token. And then once all that's done, it goes back up here and says access token attained successfully because we did an error. If we got an error back from this, we would basically just die here. So we got the access token. It spits out the access token, says how long it expires. Then it uses that access token to get the user info,
Right.
which is this and this.
Yeah.
And then says, oh, for some reason I didn't get my email, but it's fine. And then to use the token, it says how to use it.
So then we would grab that access token for them, like for the user.
Yeah. So I think the PostCast application, would do that. We would store their client ID and client secret.
Yeah.
It would prompt them for it, and then ideally store it someplace securely.
Right.
And then whenever they did a post to LinkedIn, we would go through all these steps.
Yeah.
So we would open up the browser to get a code and then get that token. I don't know how long those tokens live for, but
Yeah, that's a good question. And if you can like set an
expire.
expiry on them.
Let's see, because there's this.
I don't think I don't know if you can. I think it's sort of, I think they set it on their end, like on LinkedIn sets it
Oh, this one's 2 months too.
2
Wow.
months. Okay.
Maybe you can specify an earlier one. Because once we have a token that hasn't expired, I don't think we can know until we call with it, but token is active, right? Oh, what's the curl request look like? Oh, we can even inspect tokens here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, interesting. So I'm assuming if we call that, so let's do this. All these handy scripts. LinkedIn auth inspect token. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we could even write there to avoid having to do this all the time. We could even save their token. Like if they're doing, like they're running PostCast like once a week or something,
Right.
we wouldn't have to do that whole rigmarole, like go get a new token. We could even just do this.
And just grab it from what we have.
Yeah, we grab their existing token, check if it's still active.
Yeah.
And if it has the right permissions, right, we'd have to check, like, can it do this? And if it can, then it's like, great. And then,
Skip the process of grabbing a new token.
yeah, then we don't have to fire up the web browser and all that stuff again. So,
Right.
oh, okay. So we got a couple ways we could do this now. Okay.
So it's looking doable.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking very doable. Okay, I'm just going to remove this so I can commit it.
I wonder what the Slack process is going to be like compared to this.
I don't know. Hopefully easier. Oh, that's really hilarious. So we'll have to clean this up because we have all these like Go apps. I don't know how to do that,
Yeah.
but for now, I'm just going to commit this all to the branch before I forget. So,
Okay.
I just, oh yeah, like I commented out your other sandbox one. All the codes there, I just commented it out. This is the new one that AI created. What's in
Okay.
the plan? Oh, we don't need that. That was just me writing. Okay, and then we got this. Yeah, I think if we keep working, building up these little scripts too, that'll be
Yeah.
great for us as developers. Just to be like, hey, like, is LinkedIn down? Or are we doing something weird? Like, if you can run the script and it works, but the code doesn't work, then we
Actually, we could
probably,
put those in like tests.
yeah, maybe something like that. Yeah. No, we probably would have integration tests that will actually. So I think we talked about this before, maybe, but we'll have two types of unit tests. We'll have like the unit tests that don't actually make a call out to like LinkedIn. They
Right.
just like we'll use something. I don't know if Go has something like VCR, which Ruby has, which will record. Like you make API calls and it records them, and then when you make the call again, it just plays back. Like it just saves the response as a file and just returns that file. It acts as like a little middleman, so you don't actually make the actual API call.
I think there's
But
middleware in Go that does that.
there might be, yeah. So this is
Yeah.
like a test. It's called VCR in Ruby, and I think
Okay.
there's maybe in JavaScript and stuff.
Okay.
And then we'll set up some actual integration tests. So you can run just the unit tests, which are really fast. They don't make API calls. And then you can set up the integration tests, which we don't run as often, which will make an actual API call out to like LinkedIn. I think we looked last time, and LinkedIn allows you to create a couple dummy developer accounts.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Yeah, I think there was something like that. So yeah, then we do that, and then those tests you don't run as often because they take as while. They're quite a bit flaky. Like if the internet's not working or LinkedIn is down, they'll fail.
That's a really good one to check, actually.
Yeah, but it's nice to have those every once in a while because what happens is people just have their mocked API calls, but then LinkedIn changes something with their API and you don't catch it until you're in production.
Right.
So it's nice to have your your CI/CD occasionally run those integration tests or like the actual live calling to the APIs tests. Like
Yeah.
even if you just do it once a week or something like that, and assuming they don't fail because the internet's down, but if they fail because the signature of the API changed, then you know before you go live. So
Oh, okay.
all right,
Interesting.
I'll push these two changes up for you there. Oh wow, yeah, was lunchtime? Yeah. Well, I don't know. This is pretty. This could be another super long video, but yeah,
This is
that
a
was
productive
seamless.
one for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they
Oh,
were all productive, but this one, I guess this one, because it felt like we're getting closer
yeah.
to an
We
actual product.
we got something working at the end. We got some Go code like this linked. What did I call it? LinkedIn Sandbox actually
Yeah.
working. Even though
Yeah.
we didn't actually write this, like
Yeah.
we'll have to go. This is the other reason I really like AI. Like I wouldn't be like, hey, we're done. Push this to production, Omar. Let's go. Like drinks are on me.
Right.
Uh but it's great for just writing these like little scripts or just like, hey,
Yeah.
get this working. And now that we know this works, we can go through and like pick and choose. Like we can use this as an example for us, right? Which is
Yeah.
fantastic.
That's it. It's sort of like a templating
Yeah.
engine, right? Like, or it's sort of you can get some good early validation.
Yeah, like a quick proof of concept. Like, hey, this works. It probably needs some additional error handling, opening the browser is probably going to be a pain in the butt. But yeah,
Yeah.
like it's pretty awesome.
I think that's it. I think it's sort of like reaching that conclusion that it's like, okay, this is doable
Yeah.
and worth doing. It seems like we can get it to a point where it's not like it wouldn't be a pain in terms of usability. Like
Hmm.
you don't have to like um because I wasn't sure when we were sort of manually going through this and setting up things like getting the tokens on LinkedIn and stuff. I was wondering if we were going to be able to do that like in the program
Mm.
where we didn't have to like manually do all these things all the time, which would just be a pain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, awesome. I think it's break time for both of us. But
Yeah.
yeah, thanks, Omar. I really enjoyed pairing with you. So I don't know if someone watched this whole hour and 40 minutes. I guess good for you. Wow. Um, hit the like, subscribe, leave comments down below. Like if you have feedback, especially about Go or hooking up with LinkedIn, and you know more than Omar and myself, we'd love some feedback, some ways to do it better. Yeah, any constructive feedback, comments, and you can also send an email to ask at SaturdayMP.com. That's a great place to ask questions or provide additional feedback. And of course, yeah, if you really like Omar being on these videos, which I think has really helped, give it another like, or you can find him on LinkedIn. And his homepage is just basically his name. If I Google your name, does your homepage show up? Are you that cool?
I think if you Google my name, but also developer, it should show up.
I'm using Kaji, I guess. So let's see, Omar developer.
Like Omar Ashur developer. Uh,
Oh, this guy's beating you.
this guy is beating me.
Uh,
There's a few of them that seem to be. I mean,
More popular than you.
there's a lot of Omars out there in the world. Not a lot of Omar Ashur developers, I guess.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So yeah, check out Omar's homepage. Yeah, and you can find him on LinkedIn and all the other places. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining us. And hopefully, I don't know, next time maybe we won't do a proof of concept. We'll actually write something, but who knows? We'll see. Or maybe Omar or myself will do some work during the week and we'll just kind of pick up next time we record. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you have a great day. We'll catch you next week. Bye for now.